Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Medico Shahan, and we are in the middle of 100 days 100 disease series where every day I will teach you a different disease. So today our topic is Buerger's disease. So let us learn about this. First we will learn about the definition. Buerger's disease, aka also known as thromboangiitis obliterans. What does this mean? Thromboangiitis obliterans. Thrombo means thrombus, angiitis means inflammation, and obliterans means obliteration or blocking. That means because of thrombus, obliteration or blocking of the blood vessels occurs, and this leads to angiitis, inflammation of the vessels. Itis means inflammation, angiitis means the inflammation of blood vessels. So you can understand Buerger's disease is actually caused by thromboangiitis obliterans. That means thrombus that obliterate the blood vessels and cause inflammation. Basically, it is a rare disease that affects the young and middle-aged male. So basically, who are affected? Young male and middle-aged male. Basically, those young and middle-aged male are cigarette smoker. They are cigarette smokers and characterized by narrowing or blockage. I told you about this. Either there will be narrowing or there will be blockage or occlusion of the veins and arteries. So either the veins and the arteries is narrowed or it is blocked, and you get and all this. So characterized by narrowing or blockage or occlusion of veins and arteries of extremities. So basically the hands, the feet, all these places are affected and resulting in reduced blood flow. So the blood flow will be reduced. Why this is reduced? Because there is a blockage, there is a occlusion in the veins and the arteries. So in the extremities, like in the hands, in the legs, you will get the blockage. And because of this blockage, what happens at last? At last you get gangrene. At last you get tissue death. So you get tissue death or gangrene of the affected limb. So your limb becomes, your fingers, basically your fingertips becomes black because of the tissue death, because of the gangrene. So this is the complication, tissue death or the gangrene. So what is the definition? Once again, Buerger's disease, also known as thromboangiitis obliterans, it is a rare disease or disorder that affects the young and middle-aged male cigarette smokers. And basically this disease is characterized by narrowing or blockage or occlusion of veins and arteries of extremities, resulting in reduced blood flow and as a complication developed into tissue death or gangrene of affected limb. Now more common in, I told you, young and middle-aged male, and this is also associated with Raynaud's phenomenon. Sometimes Raynaud's phenomenon are also seen along with Buerger's disease. So what is Raynaud's phenomenon? Raynaud's phenomenon is sometimes asked in the examination. It is the lack of the normal blood flow to the fingers or the toes when exposed to cold temperature. So when your fingers is exposed to the cold temperature, it becomes whitish. So that is the Raynaud's phenomenon. Why this become whitish coloration? Because of the lack of the normal blood flow to the fingers or toes. Why they have been, why the fingers or the toes are having lack of normal blood flow? Because they are exposed to the cold temperature. So because of temperature change, because of cold temperature, if there is lack of normal blood flow to the fingers or to the toes, that is known as Raynaud's phenomenon. That is known as Raynaud's phenomenon. Raynaud's phenomenon is associated with Buerger's disease. It is another, it can be seen, it is one of the sign of Buerger's disease, but it is a different phenomenon. Okay, Raynaud's phenomenon. Sometimes it is associated with Buerger's disease, and that is why I have discussed Raynaud's phenomenon too in this topic. Now, what is the cause of Buerger's disease? The cause of Buerger's disease is unknown. We don't know. etiology is unknown. Basically, but it is associated with tobacco smoking, and sometimes it is associated with tobacco chewing also. So use of tobacco products, they are strongly associated with Buerger's disease. Use of tobacco is very important factor for Buerger's disease. Now what are the symptoms and signs you get? So you get the signs and symptoms like tingling sensation of your hands and finger. You get tingling sensation, numbness. You do not feel in your fingers. You do not feel in your hands, or you do not feel in your feet. So tingling or numbness in your hands and feet. Pale and reddish. Sometimes it becomes pale. All the fingers become pale color, yellowish color, whitish color. So it is pale. Reddish color. Sometimes you get a lot of blood. Reddish color. Blue tinted hands and feet. Sometimes it becomes bluish colored and of the hands and the feet. Now another important thing is the inflammation. You get the inflammation. And number 4 is Raynaud's phenomenon. It is number 4. Okay. Here you put number 4. Raynaud's phenomenon. Number 4, Raynaud's phenomenon, which I have explained that because of the temperature change, when you go to the cold temperature places, your hands become whitish coloration because of the normal blood flow is not there. So that is known as Raynaud's phenomenon. And number 5 is pain. This is pain, open sore on the finger. So you get the open sores in your fingers. Next, what is the diagnosis? The diagnosis is clinical diagnosis and angiography. So you have to do angiography. Angiography is a method by which you can look at the blood vessels and you can understand if there is a blockage, if there is any problem. So angiography is the diagnostic technique. Risk factor. The risk factor is three important thing I am telling. No, sorry, 4. So the risk factors are tobacco use. First important risk factor is use of tobacco. Number 2 is the chronic gum disease. If you are having gum disease, that can also lead to Buerger's disease. So chronic gum disease. Number 3 is sex. If you are male, then you have greater chance of having Buerger's disease. And number 4 is the age. If your age is less than 45 years age. So if you are less than 45 years old, if you are young male, if you are middle-aged male, if you are less than 45 years of age, you are having this problem. So what are the risk factors? The risk factors are tobacco use. Either you are chewing tobacco or you are using the tobacco products. Then you have a risk factor for developing Buerger's disease. So tobacco, chronic gum disease, sex like male, and age less than 45. All these 4 are the risk factor. Next is the complication. The complication is gangrene, which I told you. What does gangrene means? Gangrene means the tissue death. So basically it is the death of the tissue of the affected limb. Next is prevention. How can we prevent this disease, Buerger's disease? So prevention is quit tobacco. You have to quit chewing of tobacco and smoking of tobacco products. So this is the only way by which you can avoid the disease. So if you have watched till now, you are interested in medical videos, please then subscribe our channel if you are new to my channel, and please visit the playlist of our channel where we have many more videos on medicine, on pathology, on clinical anatomy. So you can watch all those videos. Basically you watch the best medical videos. Watch all the videos and you will become master in medical science after watching it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, make a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.